Hello everyone, 15th of November 2024. It's 2:23 p.m. right now, and this is an announcement. So, I started a newsletter. It's called The Orko Effect, and I actually started it 2 days back, but nobody really knows about it because I wanted to make a proper video out of this, a proper announcement video, something what I'm doing right now, except one person. But anyways, so it's called the Orko Effect, and the moment I say this, I'm really glad to let you all know that the Orko Effect is currently live on theorkobanerjee.substack.com. The link will be given down in the description in case you want to check out. In case you don't want to, never mind. Uh, Emails every Friday, and I would really encourage all of you to join me over there. And I know how you guys are, so maybe I get to see a few of you over there at the end, and all of you in the next video. So, till then, bye. This was Arka Banerjee signing off.